Exercise number 1. Student grade calculator. Write a program that allows a student to enter their name, a school class name, and as many test scores as they would like. Once the student has finished entering test scores, display a new window or screen that shows the student's name and class name, along with their average test score rounded to the nearest whole number and the letter grade equivalent of this average grade score. This new window or screen should also display the highest test score as well as the lowest test score, and which test score number they are. For example, if it were the first test score the student entered, it would display test number 1.
Instructions. First, pause this video and summarize the question to better understand the problem. Next, conduct any necessary research to prepare and complete the task efficiently. After that, update your programming notes in a digital version. Next, start recording and complete the documentation either by typing or handwriting. Once you've completed the documentation, begin a new screen recording to demonstrate your coding process. This should include debugging and testing of your algorithm while referring to the documentation. Finally, please upload 2 video links recording your documentation and coding process. Then, email the actual documentation and code files to your professor. Pause this video and begin working.
Exercise number 2. Food program. Write a program to create a screen that will allow the user to enter quantities of items to purchase from your food truck. Taxes are included in the price. You must have a running total of all sales for the day. Items for sale: hot dog $2.50, brat $3.50, hamburger $5, fries $2, the $2, and water as free. Buttons or choices will include calculate, clear, that allows for another entry or reset to another amount, and exit. All screens will be clearly labeled with contestant number, program number, and title. All boxes will be clearly labeled.
Instructions.